All right, let's make a start with IELTS speaking part 1, and I'm going to ask you a number of different questions and you have to answer. Let's start with you. The topic is technology. Do you like technology?
Yes, of course, I like technology because it change the way of
It
our
changes.
because it changes the way of our living. So, so at that time, technology work at many ways. Like we can call to any person at any time or in any situation. So, I like this technology.
Okay, what is your favorite piece of technology, favorite gadget?
My favorite piece of technology, my mobile phone, because I can work it very easily with it because it perform too much function like I can call to any person. Moreover, I can use it as my project, like for some writing purposes. So that's why I like
All
it.
right, so it's fluency and some grammar things. For example, you said, I can call to any person. Instead of that, you should say, I can call anybody, right? All right, let's go on. Is there any technology that you would like to buy in the future?
I would like to buy in future compute.
Okay.
I would like to buy a laptop because because I really need it.
I really need it.
Because I really need it. Moreover, moreover for my research projects. So it would it would definitely helps me.
It would definitely help me.
Helps me.
Okay,
Help
not
me.
helps, help me. Because you're using future tense. In future, we never add SES. So focus your grammar. Some of your answers are extremely short. You need to elaborate further. Okay. Now it's your turn. Do you like to use social media?
Not exactly. I can say that I'm not used to of social media.
I'm not used to social media.
I'm not used to social media because it's kind of waste of time, and I like to spend more time on other activities like sports or like cooking or watching TV seasons on TV.
All right. Do you think children should use social media?
Yeah, I think children should use social media, but there are some advantages and disadvantages, so we should consider both. And to answer your question, yeah, children should use it for educational purpose, for sports activities, to learn sports skills from watching sports channels, and other activities like good cartoons, which actually provide some good stuff to the children, educate them in many manners.
All right. Which social media application is most popular in your country?
Actually, social media app is YouTube channel is basically it's uh, quite useful in many ways. It is useful in learning different skills from YouTube channels, and
Okay, so you can elaborate
disseminate.
further. And I mean, like, if you're talking about social media app, you can talk about Facebook, you can talk about WhatsApp. YouTube is also fine, no
Okay.
problem. Okay, now let's go on. One last question. Would you like to work in social media?
Yes, I would love to work in social media. I want to disseminate the information regarding the medical journals and medical fields, and as my subject is public health, so I would like to generate the resources and disseminate this information to wider audience, and so that people can learn in different ways. Um Learn some skills and educate other peoples as well.
All right, it's good. Overall, your answers are fine. Just try to practice all these topics because you've got a little
Yeah.
hesitation when you are answering. Okay, thank you so much.